This video is part 2 of showing ways to improve the surface quality of your 3D prints. Print orientation plays a huge role in the quality, strength, and appearance of your 3D prints. The way a model is positioned on the print bed affects layer lines, overhangs, and surface finish. In the following example, the figure printed horizontally will require less supports and print faster, but the bottom and top surfaces will show less detail and more visible layer lines. Printing the same figure standing will require more supports, but give us overall more wall detail and resolution. As a note, print orientation should also be considered for things like strength and overhangs. Variable layer heights are a smart way to improve surface quality while keeping the print times efficient. By using thinner layers on detailed or curved areas, you can achieve a smoother finish and capture fine details. On less complex or flat areas, thicker layers can be used to speed up the print without compromising strength. To accomplish this, choose the Variable Layer Height tool. The right side will show a new graph with a blue line indicating the current layer height. Move along the graph to show the position you wish to adjust. Left-click will decrease the layer height, making the layers thinner and more detailed. Right-clicking will increase the layer heights, making it thicker and quicker to print. In our next video, we will go over various ways to use modifiers.